Powder and gel blushes are good for oily skin. Cream is best for normal to dry skin. Whichever type you choose, its shades should match your natural coloring, so try to pick one that reflects your color when you blush normally. Select a color that will accent your existing best features and that won't stand out too much. Bright red may not look great on a pale person, but can be terrific on a bronze skin tone. If you are pale, try a soft pink color or maybe even something with a little tan and pink in it. Depending on your skin tone, you might need a lighter or darker color. Dark skin needs a lighter color, whereas light skin may need more of a neutral color such as brown or tan. Here I have a bronze color here that I will apply on the cheek area. Here, just a lighter right above the cheek line here. I like to apply a little bit of bronze so that you look a little bit sun-kissed. And it is very natural, especially for the summertime, the summer months that we have coming up, so that you don't have to apply too much makeup. But if you want to add a little bit of color to your skin, then you have it. So I just apply it here with a fluffy brush, really light and soft. And sometimes I like to go in, especially on my lighter skin tones, with a skin finish. And it's more of a neutral color here. And with a fluffy brush, I will apply that to her face just to add a little bit more color and to add a little bit more of a contour, as you see here. So I'm just going in, I'm taking it all the way up to the hairline, just because it makes it more natural in my opinion. You don't always have to, but I'd like to do that. So a tip when applying blush is to smile. Just simply smile in the mirror and apply a blush where the cheek line rises. And you see how I added color? It very smooths her out, and she doesn't look as washed out as you normally would. And for my darker skin tones, I like to go in with more of a rosy, more of a burgundy, deeper redder color. And again, I ask my client to smile and I apply the blush here. Now for more of a heavier look, I go in with a bigger brush and I just apply it a little bit more deeper here, as you can see. And I'm taking it all the way up to the hairline. I really don't care what face shape you are. I always want you to take everything to the hairline so that everything is blended and comes out perfectly. And you see here it's not too much, but it looks natural. It looks like a natural blush. Very cute. So let's talk about a few of my fave blushes for fair skin. I like actually Cargo Blush in Mendo Cinco. It's really good for any skin tone, but especially my fair skin tones. And I also like NARS Blush and Happy. It has that really natural undertone to it. It doesn't look too cakey. And I also like Too Faced Blush Perfect Blush. I know that's a tongue twister, but I love that one. And here's a few of my fave blushes for brown skin. And actually I love Kevyn Auction's Sphera. It has that warm orange undertone, especially for my darker skin tones. And MAC Sweet as Cocoa that I definitely use on myself, and as well as the model above. And I also like Revlon. Yes, Revlon. Revlon and Berry is a very natural color for my brown skins. So let's talk about face shapes here. I know that we not all have the same type of face. We're not all, oval, round, or long. But if you do have an oval face, I want you to pay more attention to the apple of the cheek. So right there where your cheekbone starts, I want you to focus more attention there. And although pictured, it doesn't take it to the hairline, but I want you to lightly take it back to the hairline. Lightly. And if you have a longer face shape, definitely focus bringing it all the way to the hairline. Very, very, very much so. And if you have a round face, I want you to start at the apples, but take it more back underneath the eye so that it creates some more of a depth of your face. And if you have more of a box face, just keep a flat line. But normally I like for you to make a fish face. And when you make that fish face, just apply it naturally on your cheek line. It will be more natural that way. So what did you guys think? Did you like it? Let me know how you felt about that. And if you have any questions, don't forget you can reach me here in the code at Jordan Thrower, or you can reach me on Instagram at jivory, or even on Facebook at Jordan Ivory. I want to see how you're applying your blush and what colors you decided to use, because I want to learn something new too. So if you want to go grab those few blushes that I talked about before, or you have some of your own, feel free to use those, and let's see how your look came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned a lot about blush placement. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach me here in the Cove, and I look forward to hearing from you. Also, try the other looks, put all the looks together, and let's see what we come up with. I'm so proud of you ladies. Keep going. I can't wait to see it. Talk to you later. Bye.